Let's talk win rate percentage, because if you're a new retail trader and you're getting less than 70% winning trades with your trade strategy, then mentally it's going to be really tough. So your job is to get more than 70% of your trades making money. You really want to be in the 80% if you can. Now, I know there's going to be loads of experienced traders looking at this video going, well, I only win 55% of my winning trades and I make money because I let my trades run. Yeah, because you're experienced, you can do that. But if you're a new trader and you're having 50% winning trades, it's really tough mentally to handle, isn't it, guys? So what we need to do is get your win rate up. We need to get your percentage up if possible. And hopefully I'm going to show you here what I like to look at, and I'm going to show you a trade that's setting up that could help you now if you trade this particular market, get your win percentage up, because the key for getting your win percentage up is riding on the back of big trends, okay? Especially if you're a day trader in the market. Now look at this trade strategy, okay? January 2025 all the way up to this Thursday, it is the 30th, okay? So the 30th of January 2025. Now it had 91% winning trades here, 10 trades and 1 loser. This is our momentum color trading strategy, and it made £11,301.96 with a 50 grand account. Okay, so it's up now to 61,000 starting with 50 grand balance. So the win rate was really good. Now what's the key here? The key is that all these trades were taken to the long side, not the short side. All these trades were taken virtually as a day trader, so it was doing, just shy of 1 trade a day. Okay, so 1 trade every couple of days. And for me, getting on the back of big bull markets is the key to get your win rate up as a day trader. Even if you're trading off a 15-minute chart or a 60-minute time frame, if the market's pushing higher, if you're on a bull market, which means going up, okay, strong, making higher highs and higher lows on a chart, if it's going up, then why would you want to short the market if you're a day trader on a 5-minute time frame? You're going against the path of least resistance. Okay, so what you want to do to get your win rate up, which will help you, is make sure that you're taking trades with the bigger time frame, like the daily, in a bull market, in a market that's flying higher, in a market that's going up, because you will make money easier than if you're going to try and go against the trend. And the same for shorts as well. So this win rate's great. Okay, now this is brilliant because it was a bull market. Now let's look at a market that could be setting up for the next bull market, and I think it's got great opportunity here, and if we can get the signal that I'm looking for, I think this trade could go for several months. So what I will do is I will set the bots up, and I will set my individual discretionary trading up to the long side. Okay, I'll be looking all for green colors with our method of trading. We're looking for buy signals when it turns green on our systems. So let's dive into the chart now and look at what I'm looking at, and then let's see over the coming weeks and months what your win rate is with this market, because I think if this sets up for the next bull market, guys, we can have some great fun buying this market, getting in and out of it, day trading it long. Come and trade with us live. That's what I would say, and trade with us if this market sets up. So let's dive into the chart now. Okay, so the next big bull market could be this euro dollar. Okay, now what's happened here is we found this great big bullish divergence setting up. The green on our method here, our system, is fully underway. Now we've got a green trend predictor, which is the green arrow. Now if we can close strong today, then all I'm going to be doing this week and the rest of this week and next week, I'm looking for buy signals. All right, I'm going to ignore the short side because it isn't red at the moment like it was here on the way down. It's actually green now. Okay, so we got the charts green. We just need to see conviction here. I want to see this candlestick, closing at the highs. I want to see this firing off down here. I want to see the histograms increasing with our momentum indicator and volume indicator down here. All right, so if this starts to kick in, guys, then I think this could be a really nice move in the actual euro versus the US dollar. Okay, the euro versus the US dollar. I'm not listening to anything or any outside noise. I'm just listening to the chart. And if this closes green, if it closes red, then all bets are off. All right. So that's what I'm looking for. If this kicks in, it will get your win rate up. Ignore the short side, look for long side trades only, and that's half the battle. Getting on the right side of these trends, if you can get on the right side of these signals, trade the bigger time frame, especially you day traders. Remember, there are so many people losing money as day traders. Brokers are saying that there's 70% of people losing money. Why is that the reason? Could it be that you're on the wrong side of these trends and the colors? If you can get on the right side of the trends, as I said, make sure that you're trading in the direction of momentum. All right. Hope it helps, guys. Speak to you soon.